The government makes it hard to raise them as we should, by giving us rules that we don't need. We stand together, we stand as one against the world. If we leave it, there'll be no turning back. They will always live a life of fear. They'll always be looking over their shoulders in the night, waiting for the shadows to rise up and fight. We stand together, we stand as one against the world. Why should they suffer when we can make it right? It's not their fault, we always fight. We can change it so they can have a life and make the world a better place. We stand together, we stand as one. We stand together, we stand as one.